Is this just another bulky machine collecting dust in the corner? Let's talk about it. This is the Titan Fitness Titan Seated Calf Raise Machine. And honestly, it might be one of the most underrated pieces of leg equipment you can add to a home gym right now. Because here's the thing, most people spend thousands building out squat racks, benches, and cable systems, and completely neglect calves. Then they wonder why leg day still feels incomplete. But after spending serious time with this machine, I found something surprising. It's way more practical than its price suggests. The real question is, does it actually do?
Titan Seated Calf Raise Machine Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? This is the Titan Seated Calf Raise Machine, designed specifically for isolating the soleus muscle through seated calf raises. It's aimed squarely at home gym owners, garage gym enthusiasts, and strength athletes who want more complete lower body development without spending commercial gym money. The big selling point here is simple: heavy calf training in a compact footprint. Unlike standing calf raises that load the entire body, this machine isolates the calves directly while keeping the movement stable and controlled. And because it uses standard Olympic weight plates, you're not locked into proprietary systems or weird resistance mechanisms. Price-wise, it sits in that sweet spot between budget impulse buy and serious gym investment, which honestly makes it interesting for a lot of people building out a long-term setup.
The Titan Seated Calf Raise Machine Performance. The first thing you notice is the range of motion. The elevated foot platform gives you a deep stretch at the bottom of the movement. And if you've trained calves seriously before, you know that stretch matters a lot. You can actually feel the soleus engaging instead of just bouncing through reps. I loaded this thing with multiple 45-pound plates, and the frame stayed impressively stable. No wobbling, no sketchy shifting, no weird creaking sounds that make you rethink your life choices mid-set. And that matters because calf raises often involve high reps and explosive movement. Another thing I appreciated was the smoothness of the movement path. Some cheaper seated calf machines feel awkward because the pivot point doesn't line up naturally with your ankle movement. This one feels surprisingly natural once you dial in your seating position. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this machine actually has a few smart design choices. First up is the angled foot platform. This gives you a deeper stretch at the bottom of each rep, which is huge for calf hypertrophy. In real-world terms, it means your reps feel more effective, especially during slow eccentric training. Second is the plate-loaded design. Now, some people prefer selectorized machines, but honestly, plate-loaded makes way more sense for a home gym. You can progressively overload easily, use the plates you already own, and there's less maintenance long-term. Another nice touch is the adjustable thigh pad position. This helps accommodate different body sizes, which sounds basic, but a lot of budget machines skip proper ergonomics entirely. Whether you're shorter or taller, you can usually find a comfortable setup without your knees feeling jammed into awkward angles over your joints. And then there's the steel frame construction. The machine feels heavy-duty enough for serious training without crossing into full commercial machine territory. That's important because some compact calf machines feel flimsy once you start pushing heavier weight.
Design and build. Aesthetically, Titan actually did a solid job here. The black powder-coated finish gives it that clean commercial gym look without feeling overly flashy. It's simple, functional, and honestly fits nicely into most home gym setups. The upholstery is dense and durable, though slightly on the firmer side like I mentioned earlier. The grips feel secure, the footplate texture provides solid traction, and the frame overall feels confidence-inspiring. Now, this isn't a luxury machine from something like Rogue Fitness or Hammer Strength. You may notice minor cosmetic imperfections or less refined finishing compared to ultra-premium equipment. But at this price point, that's honestly expected. Pros. Compact design works well for home gyms. Plate-loaded system keeps costs and maintenance low. Strong value for the price compared to commercial alternatives. Cons. Thigh pads can feel firm during heavy sessions. Getting positioned under heavy weight takes practice.
Final verdict. Look, if you're serious about lower body training and you've already built a decent home gym setup, this is honestly a really smart addition. A lot of people ignore direct calf work because improvised setups are awkward, inconsistent, or just annoying to load. This machine solves that problem cleanly. If you're a powerlifter, bodybuilder, athlete, or even just someone chasing more balanced leg development, the Titan seated calf raise machine makes a lot of sense, especially considering the price. Now, if you're extremely tight on space or you barely train